Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Talking a little bit today about RC cars again, and my thoughts on my modded C10 SCX24 and my stock one. And the reason that I wanted to make this video is because I was actually surprised at what my opinion was. I really thought that coming into this video I knew exactly how I was going to feel until I actually went out and shot. So let's talk about that, and I'll let you know whether or not I actually prefer my modded C10 or if I prefer the stock one. Oh. I started off with a somewhat steep climb and flex test. Both stock and mod did great. Now the second climb is much steeper. The modded truck lost grip a few times, but still did decently well. The stock truck struggled more, but ultimately made it up. This test was just going down the hill to see if they would flip, but both are good. I had to really find my line on this rock, but the taller tires on the modded truck kept it from high centering. This was just a small climb, and both trucks did fine. This test was meant to compare the approach angles. Both trucks did fine, but the modded one does definitely have a better approach angle. This is where things became more interesting. The stock truck struggled in some spots, but overall was able to make it through this obstacle without flipping. The modded truck, however, flipped not once but twice. I had to pick an easier line just to get through. My only guess is that since it sits slightly higher, it flips more easily due to the higher center of gravity. Climbing up these rocks also demonstrate that the stock tires really do not have much grip. I will say, though, the stock truck still made it up after struggling for a bit. Jesus. Now, the modded truck ended up rolling twice again before finally making it. Even here, the aftermarket tires just do not have enough grip. This right here is my box stock C10. And this is my modded one. For a full list of mods, you can click on the suggested video. Now, I tried to do somewhat of a side hill test. Both trucks did okay, but I do wish it had been steeper. This last hill climb was relatively simple to both trucks. Each one had some wheel spin in the same exact spot, but both ended up making it just fine. Overall, I really think the modded truck is only slightly more capable in very specific settings. Right now, in general, I prefer driving the box stock truck. However, the modded build will continue. Stay tuned for that. So that kind of sums up my thoughts between the two vehicles. Honestly, I almost wish that I would have left this one stock. However, I'm already this far into it. I'm going to continue to mod it until it gets to the performance level that I was hoping for and really want. That said, I still think that one of these stock straight out of the box is a super fun truck. Thanks everybody who watched this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the typical YouTube stuff. Coming up in the next couple of weeks, I've got a special event that I should be able to get some footage at. Plus, we'll actually show you some footage of the course that we have finally begun. And I'm hoping that this summer and especially this fall, we'll be able to do some more side-by-side comparisons. So subscribe, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.